hapa.
Piny owacho ochungo ute thieth mitudo gi mibadhi mar okumba mar thieth mar SHA kendo ok gibi yudo sir moro amora mar SHA. Lendo ma kama ochiw gi jatend migawo mar thieth Eden Duale kanoyango ni jochiw thieth 12 monywando laktache 8 bende itimonegi nonro mag kuo mosebedo kanene okumbano. Duale omedo ni jochiw thiethgo mawuok e kaunti mar Nairobi, Bungoma gi Kilifi nyaka sani pod inono go kwach kich.
In accordance with the powers conferred by Section 48, subsection 6 of the Social Health Insurance Act, therefore, the Social Health Authority has suspended a total of 40 health facilities found to have engaged in these criminal activities. They have engaged in corruption and they have engaged in the theft of public resources. These suspensions are effective immediately, and we will share with you the Gazette notice signed by the CEO of the Social Health Authority, and of course in the interest of transparency and public accountability, a full list of these suspended health facilities have been duly published in the Kenya Gazette number 168, dated 7th of August 2025. During the period of the investigation, these facilities are not entitled to receive any benefits from the Social Health Authority. Furthermore, we will be surcharging them to recover any monies already paid to them on the basis of these fraudulent claims. Our digital system and the forensic audit further identified several health professionals who have been directly involved in these criminal